The National People's Party, with its headquarters in Shillong today, the 3rd December, started its construction for the building of its main office near the office of the BJP opposite BSNL office in Polo. Present on the occasion were Sri Conrad Sangma, the Chief Minister, Father John Madur, the Diocesan Administrator of Shillong Archdiocese, and other party members. Quoting from the FB handles of Sri Conrad Sangma, the Chief Minister wrote, laid the first stone to the construction of the National People's Party Shillong building this morning with party workers of National People's Party. Thank Father John Madur, Diocesan Administrator, Shillong Archdiocese, for blessing this milestone.
Thank you.